Today, we're drawing Blue Ranger from Mighty Morphin Power Rangers. I'm QJO. Let's draw. Let's begin with the visor. Draw the large curved shape across the front of the helmet. Then add the pointed edges and the intersections. Below the visor, draw the open mouth area and add a small smiling mouth inside. Now complete the lower face shape around the mouth, keeping both sides rounded and even. Draw the large rounded helmet shape around the visor and face. Add one small horn shape on each side near the top of the helmet. Complete the top of the helmet. Then add the center horn and the remaining helmet details. Draw the first arm reaching forward, then add the hand gripping the weapon. Add the other arm and draw the second hand holding the weapon from the opposite side. Draw the long weapon through both hands, then complete the pointed blades and decorations at each end. Now draw the upper body beneath the head and add the simple diamond pattern across the chest. Add the belt around the waist and draw the buckle in the center. Draw the first leg extending outward from beneath the belt, keeping it slightly bent. Draw the other leg, spreading toward the opposite side to create a strong stance. Add the first boot at the bottom of the leg, then draw the diamond details near the top. Finish with the other boot and add the matching diamond pattern. And boom! Look at that! I love how this turned out. If you had fun, smash that like button and subscribe for more drawings. See you next time!